Alright, when I'm just getting warmed up, I want to make sure that I kind of like stretch my fingers out a little bit. If they hurt, I'm going to like shake them out. Do some push-up, you know, you can do like a plank position just to kind of bend your wrists. You know, make sure you spend some time warming up your hands and turning them, getting them all loose. I'm going to count the frets. So the metal part right here is the actual fret. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lobster claw position. Okay, there's two ways to hold a guitar. One is like you're shaking somebody's hand like this, and then the other way is lobster claw like that. And we're going to focus on lobster claw today. So we're going to have our thumb in the back, okay, and then we bring this finger right onto the 5th fret, and we're going to hit it 8 times. And I keep that finger on. I bring down my 2nd finger to the 6th fret. Squeeze real tight. Jump to the next string. 5th fret. 6th fret. Here we go. Try to keep going. Okay, there's warm-up number 1. We're going to shake our hand out. We're just trying to get the first 2 fingers going. It'll make it easier to play the E minor and the G. Okay, so try to do that every day for about 5 minutes. Okay, so at home when we grab the guitar, we're going to make sure we take this part right here and rest on our leg. We didn't have any trouble doing that at class. We're going to bring our arm around, and then our fingers are going to lock down here, so then that way we got something to rest on. We're going to try an E minor chord. Okay, so that's where we take our first finger and put it on the A string, and then on the second finger on the D string, okay? And then I kind of bend my wrists like that, so my fingers don't bump into the strings that are there. I want all my strings to ring out. E minor. Then I take this finger, I bring it up to the 3rd fret, and I put the ring finger on the smallest string, 3rd fret. So these two are both on the same fret. So 2 chords, that's a good way to get started.